Welcome to the theater workshop. The very first thing I want to do is walk you through the portal. So in case you haven't done this already, make sure you get yourself logged into the portal. It is a great resource for you in this workshop, but also as a student at CFPA. This is what your platform looks like, and the way you get there is just by portal, cfpatheater.com. I don't know, but I have the link always accessible for you in the handbook and in many emails I send. All right. So mine is obviously a little bit busier than yours, but what you want to see over here on the left side is where it says My Pages. Can you see that? And then here we have different portal pages. So in CFPA, you'll have one that says CFPA Wizard of Oz. And in there, we have all the information for Wizard of Oz. Yay. And you can come down here, music, choreography videos. These are the quick links. What to do before rehearsals begin. Yeah, we're going to talk about most of that over the next 3 days. And then it just gives you a lot of extra information there. But we are on the theater workshop. So when you go to your portal, just make sure you go to the theater casting page. You'll have access to it because you're in this group. And then this is where you'll find everything you need for the next couple of days. So first we have the Zoom link. Okay, you all found that because you made it here. Good job. All right, I'm proud of you. But over the next couple of days, I think it's this, that should be the same one. I'll test that later, but I'm pretty sure it's that one every single day with the same password. Okay, if you have a question ever in SweetDash, you don't even have to leave to send me an email. You can click on this and it brings you to this beautiful place and sends me a message. It goes directly to my email. Alrighty. So that is, email is always the quickest way to hear back from me. So there you go. Email is the best thing. Here's our workshop, turn nerves into confidence, audition like a pro. Because how many of you get super nervous when it comes to auditioning? Yeah, me too. I still do too. And that's totally fine. It just means you want to do your best. You want to do a good job. So if you keep scrolling down, I here have a link for you that says replay and resources, audition tips, which is a link I already gave you today, and then the Digital Wizard of Oz Youth Edition script. Okay, so this is just your resource page. Everybody good? If I add anything specific, it will be added to this page for you. And like worksheets specifically for day 1, day 2, day 3, or how that goes, it could be added here as well.